Hi everyone, my name is Suzanne, and just wrapping up in my conclusion video, the implications to social work of understanding the development of children is very, very important. In fact, it is the foundation, the solid foundation that we need to have um, in our practice in order to better serve our younger clients. Just understanding how people progress through the different stages, the different levels of development, and understanding how contributing factors, which would be present in our environments, such as um, biological, physical, and also social, affect how we think, how we grow, and how we interact with our environment. Our upbringing is very, very important to consider as well as the way that we are brought up and the way that we are disciplined um, really affects how we view ourselves, how we figure out what our roles are within our family dynamic. And so it's really, really important to understand all of these contributing factors and the big impact that they have in the development of children. Um, the ASQ was really interesting as far as being able to use it and have it be a fair assessment tool in the Southwest. I don't really feel that it is appropriate or the best fitting tool to use because it is not geared toward any type of diverse population. It doesn't really take culture into consideration when it is asking the questions that it does. The ASQ was basically just a generalized tool that is to be used for children up to, I believe, 18 years of age. Um, so it's just very, very basic. There's so many children and individuals that would fit into that category. So it really doesn't specialize in and focus on any particular group. Um, in that in that sense, I don't feel like it would be a very useful assessment tool to use in the Southwest. Um, but I actually learned that there are assessment tools that would be more beneficial to diverse groups. That's something that I didn't know before, but now that I do, I have a larger um, and more expanded understanding of how these assessment tools work and which ones are actually um, more beneficial toward different cultures and different populations. What I learned from this overall experience is to pay attention to the details, the very, very small details of children's interactions with their environments. I'm a mom of a 2-year old, 2.5-year old in a couple weeks, and um, just talking about children and growth and development, it's made me more aware of things to look for, not only in my child, but also in myself, in how I interact with her, um, activities that we do. I'm also more aware of my, I guess, expectations as far as her growth and development. And in particular, um, she was a late walker. And so I thought that there was some sort of deficiency in that area. She didn't walk until she was 19 months. And, I had to keep telling myself that every child progresses to their different stages in their own time. So I guess this experience just brought, that reminder to just be open-minded about the development of children and to be able to meet them at their specific need and level. Thanks so much.